Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose output length in a Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is just open up any chat, and then here on the right hand side you'll see settings. I want you to scroll all the way down until you see advanced settings, and I want you to click on this down arrow and it will reveal more settings, and with it is output length. So we'll change this and let's make it 8,000 right here, okay? And we'll give a prompt, right? For example, give me a workout plan for a 25-year-old. And then we'll hit run. And now the prompt is running. As you can see, the model is thinking, and it will actually give me an output with a maximum length using 8,000 tokens. And I'll run this again. I'll show you with less tokens and you'll see the difference, okay? So here it is doing it. Let me come back once it is done. All right, here we go. It has used 3,441 tokens. And if I change this to 200, let's say, and we give the same prompt, you'll see it will not be as in depth. So let me run this again and let's see the kind of output that will come out right now. As you can see, it should actually be done almost just now, right? It will not even be enough. The number of tokens used has increased, and it was only able to generate some thoughts, not do the whole thing. But that is how to choose output length in Google AI Studio.